Plano, Texas, and Campbell, California, January 24, 2023, when guests purchase an all-new, all-electric RZ450e crossover from Lexus Dealers, they'll be offered several ways to enhance their battery electric ownership through an elevated charging experience. Lexus announced today it will work with ChargePoint, Inc., a leading public EV charging network and provider of home charging equipment, and Qmerit, a home charger installation and EV integration solutions provider, to offer home chargers installation services and a vast network of public charging EV stations. With the Lexus RZ450 arriving at dealerships soon, we want to ensure our guests have a seamless charging experience both at home and on the road, said Dewan Ross, Lexus Group Vice President and General Manager. Our arrangement with ChargePoint and Qmerit was created to provide RZ guests with tools and services to help them to understand, identify, and solve their charging needs so they can feel confident in their Lexus electrified journey. For many RZ450e guests, home will become the primary charging location for their vehicle. To help support a home charging experience, participating Lexus dealers will offer an option to purchase a ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2 charger at the dealership or directly from ChargePoint online. ChargePoint Home Flex is Energy Star certified and Wi-Fi enabled, can be installed indoors or outdoors, and comes with a 23-foot charging cable to support different parking configurations. With the ChargePoint Home Flex connected charger, electric vehicles can be charged up to 9 times faster than a standard outlet. The home charger can charge up to 25 miles of range per hour and fully charge the battery when plugged in overnight. As transportation continues to electrify, we have been steadfast in our commitment to make it easy for drivers to charge their EVs, whenever and wherever they are, said Michael Hughes, Chief Revenue Officer of ChargePoint. Through this arrangement, Lexus drivers will benefit from the simplicity of having access to all of their charging information across public and home charging when using Home Flex and the ChargePoint network. To learn about installation options for the ChargePoint Home Flex, Lexus has selected Qmerit to help guide RZ450e guests through the process. The end-to-end services offered by Qmerit include locating a certified electrician to install the EV charger, providing an initial free quote, and additional services. Customers will be introduced to Qmerit during their purchase checkout process at participating dealers. Today's EV buyer wants their ride smooth and their charging seamless, said Ken Sapp, SVP, Business Development of Qmerit. We are very excited to team with Lexus and ChargePoint to deliver turnkey charging installation services for the RZ450e, extending our vision to be a leading source of integrated solutions for America's shift to electrified transportation. For public charging, RZ450e guests will also be able to tap into ChargePoint's extensive public network of Level 2 and Level 3 DC fast chargers, including roaming partner stations across North America. The vast network of charging stations offers EV owners access to more than 80% of charging spots in North America, providing an opportunity to charge when, where, and how they want. Through the Lexus app, customers will be offered the convenience of being able to quickly find, use, and pay for vehicle charging, thanks to the integration of ChargePoint's public charging APIs.
Artlist.io